Do you want to bring back that nostalgic classic iPhone ringtone? If you missed the iconic ringtone from older iPhones, I'll show you exactly how to set it up again on your iPhone. And the best part is, you don't need to download any ringtone or use a third-party app. You can do everything directly from your iPhone settings. This works on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, and the same option is also available on compatible older iPhone models. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This is where you'll find all of the sound settings for your iPhone, including your ringtone, text tones, and other alerts. Next, tap on Ringtone. You'll now see a list of ringtones available on your iPhone. You might notice some of the newer ringtones here, but that's not what we're looking for. Instead, look for the Classic option and tap on it. This will open a list of the classic iPhone ringtones. You'll find several older ringtones here that you may remember from previous iPhone models. If you want that iconic nostalgic iPhone sound, look for Marimba. Once you find it, simply tap on Marimba. You'll see a check mark appear next to it. That means Marimba has now been selected as your ringtone. You don't have to press save because the change happens automatically. Now, whenever someone calls your iPhone, you'll hear that classic Marimba ringtone. And if you don't like it or want to try another classic sound, you can simply return to this same menu and choose a different ringtone. So, if you were missing that old-school iPhone sound, this is a quick and easy way to bring it back without downloading anything. And that's it. You now know how to set the classic Marimba ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.